we're doing here at Tsiliamos is a routine bird survey for the Archipelagos Institute of Marine Conservation, just to check the bird populations throughout the year. The water level's quite low, but even so you can still see some flamingos, some ruddy shell ducks, some coots. Got quite a nice variety of birds here, so it's always good fun to come out and have a look and see what's around.
Whitehead, you agree with me?
Whitehead, black wings.
Black wings, the tail brown.
Yeah. Marsh arrow, yeah?
And this is exactly the kind of habitat.
Yeah, this is a marsh. Okay, awesome.
Yeah. This is the first time I see that.
An adult female.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.